Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll continue by drawing and coloring a beautiful and adorable whale. Let's begin the drawing. Whales are massive marine animals and are considered some of the largest creatures ever to exist on Earth. Despite their enormous size, whales are gentle in nature and usually feed on plankton or small fish. They are famous for their deep, resonant sounds, which can travel great distances through the ocean. Whales often migrate across vast ocean regions with the changing seasons. When drawing a whale, the large body, simple shapes, and gentle movements help create an artwork that feels calm, peaceful, and relaxing. This makes whales a perfect subject for a soothing coloring and drawing style. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we've finished drawing and coloring the whale. It looks adorable, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.